my top 40 hit list doesn't consist of the most popular songs. It consists of the most wanted cobras.
No! How could they? They do this to me!
Hello Joe fans, I hope you all are doing well. Today I will be reviewing Jack Morelli, aka his code name Dial Tone Communications Expert. This particular G.I. Joe is from Fun School line. It was originally released in India in year 1998, and in year 2000 I bought it as my birthday present. Dial Tone was originally released in 1986 and it also appeared in comic issue number 54. The same year, it appeared in the animated series. It was a 5-part mini-series of G.I. Joe. Well, the dial tone is literally the noise that your telephone would make to indicate that it is hooked up to its landline and ready to go. So they have picked up, the Larry Hama legend picked up the name as it is, as dial tone. Well, dial tone comes with many different and interesting accessories. Very first thing, he comes with his sonic launcher, which is dark red in color, very nicely detailed. Second thing he comes is with his machine gun. He also comes with knife. It is all molded in green color. It's a one-piece item. He also comes with this blue helmet, on which you can see his visor come goggles. And also this particular area is act as his mic for communication. Well, and he also comes with a submachine gun. Well, the content list says on his card that this is 9mm Parabellum submachine gun, which is also used to come with version 1. But I strongly believe that this is very close to Heckler and Notch G3 rifle. Well, let's take a close-up look on dial tone. Let's talk about articulation first. Standard G.I. Joe articulation, entire figure is based on O-ring, which allows his hip to rotate. His elbow bends full 90 degrees. His head is on ball joint, which allows it to rotate, and his knee bends 90 degree, just like any other Joe. Well, appearance wise, he is having black hair, classic black hair, I must say, and he's also having a mustache. When we come towards his upper body, on the back we can see that he is carrying some sort of communication device on his back, and in front, as the name says, dial tone, he is carrying some sort of communication device. This actually, he is wearing a vest. On that we can see this wires and some sort of computer, and also on chest we can clearly see that he is having couple of black hand grenades. When we come down to his waist, there is a belt which is black in color. Here there is some pocket black grenade. On his belt buckle, if you can see, there is two initials N and D, which is written. On his feet particularly is pretty much plain. Is not carrying any concealed weapon there. but on his left thigh area he is carrying a microcontroller, that I can say. He's also wearing gloves which are green in color and black boots. So that's how he looks after putting on his helmet. Well, when we talk about this dial tone, his version 1 used to come with anti-scrambler backpack. Version 2 is this what we are seeing, and this is version 3, which many of you might know that used to come as a freebie with Pepsodent toothpaste. As we have seen version 1, version 2 and 3 here in front, there is another female version of dial tone, and her name is Jill Morley. She looks something like this. So Jack and Jill went up the hill. And so that's all I have to say about our dial tone, the communications expert. If you enjoyed this figure review and want to see more, hit subscribe button and let me know your thoughts down below. So thank you very much for watching, guys. Yo Joe, stay tuned.